Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome to the new Super Mario Gamer 456, the Super Mario Gamer Show 456. Today, I'll be showing you how to make the mojang logo on the banner. So, if you already know how to make it, then why'd you click on this video? Go away, because you already know how to make it. But anyways, let's get to showing you, shall we? Okay, so here's the ingredients. Um, you'll need a banner, a golden apple, um, an enchanted apple, and rose red, the dye. Um, Now you could use any color dye you want and any color banner you want, but to make it more design. But I like to use white and red because the red, that's actually the Mojang logo. It's red, I think. Um, so yeah, and this is how you make it. Bam. Well, you can put it anywhere you want in the crafting table. It doesn't matter. Like I said, you can use any color banner or any color dye you want. So, for example, let's use blue, and then let's use an orange banner. Let's get rid of this crap. We don't need that. And then let's get more enchanted apples. I shouldn't have thrown those away, those enchanted apples. So yeah, here, here, and here. And see, look, here's the original logo, and here's the customized one. So yeah, any color you want, the banner and the logo, it doesn't matter. So guys, hope you did enjoy. If you did, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe today to join the Nintendo squad. Also, click that bell to receive notifications for when I upload new videos. Anyways, goodbye, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Happy 2018. Bye-bye.